How to fix group join problem on Facebook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix can't join group problem on the Facebook app in 2025. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So first make sure that your internet connection is stable. And here, if you're using mobile data, you can try switching to Wi Fi or vice versa, and then close and reopen the Facebook app because sometimes it's just a connection glitch. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update the Facebook app. Now, next, make sure that you are using the latest version of the Facebook. And here, to check that, you can simply go to the Play Store and here you can simply search for the Facebook app. And here, if you find any update button right here, you can simply update it to the latest version because sometimes older version can cause group joining errors, especially after 2025 updates. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear Facebook cache. So if the issue continues, then you can try clearing the app cache. And here is how you can do it. So here you can simply long press on the Facebook app icon. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info and you'll be prompted to the app settings page. Now here you simply have to tap on clear data option which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it. And with that, you can simply close the Facebook app and simply reopen it again and try joining that group again. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check the privacy and requirements of the group. So sometimes you can't join the group because it's a private group and it requires the admin approval. And here you didn't answer membership questions or you have already been blocked or removed by the admin. And with that, to fix that, you can simply go to the groups page and here you can simply tap on join group option or here you can simply go to the pages or the groups that you have been added or joined to, and now here you can answer all the questions and agree to the rules before submitting. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check your Facebook account settings. So here make sure that your account is in a good standing. So to check that, you can simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, you can simply tap on the search bar and simply search for the active status. And here make sure that this option is toggled on. So here if Facebook has any restriction or warnings, you can try to resolve them first because restricted accounts can't join new groups. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to log out and log back in. So sometimes your session might be stuck. So to fix that, you simply have to log out. So to do that, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on logout. And once you have logged out completely, simply close the app and log back in again and retry joining the group. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to reinstall the Facebook app. So here, if nothing else works, you can try deleting and reinstall the Facebook app. So here you can just long press on the app and then tap on app info and uninstall the app right there. And after that, you can simply install it again once you have done uninstalling, and you can try signing in again and join button should work normally. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.